shot buckets. All my young niggas tryna crush sign. I can get up with your boys nothing. You ain't even like that, stop bluffing. I got this Zaba, this 400. I'm on that car and broke on up. I'm with the smoke, it ain't no bluffing. Leg shot.
We just pulled up to my man Kill's gym. Way out, wherever we at. But as y'all know, the next city will be in the new year. It's a surprise, but I'm playing a tough matchup that a lot of you guys might know. But right now, I want to get ready, get some good sparring in. I'm gonna play real professional. I know, you know that pro word gets thrown around loosely, but he's a real pro. His name is Zeke. They call him Step Back Zeke. He's pretty tough. He got the length of the person I'm going to play in the anonymous city. But it should be a good matchup, man. I'm just using this to get ready. Of course I want to win, you know, but it's gonna be a little friendly bump, but we're also gonna compete. So y'all stay tuned and make sure y'all stay true, man. There's a lot of fishy stuff going on out here, and I'm just sick of it. You know what I mean? And make sure you hanging with people that's gonna check you. Cause if you're doing fishy things out here and you think it's okay, and somebody tell you it's wrong, and your friends are just a bunch of yes man, like, well, he didn't mean it, No, that's not how you deal with it. Real men build a community by holding each other accountable, and y'all gotta remember that. Weirdos.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Uncle Skoob here. Today, we're gonna be going against Elite Hooper from Europe. Let's see. I mean, right now, looking at him, I think we're gonna beat him. 11-0, maybe. I don't know. But hey, he says he's from Europe, but I don't know.
I don't know, man. You feel me? I never know it's overseas though. Damn. Let's get to it though, man.
Oh, I can't even curse. Well, you know he's a bum. So I gotta get him right. I gotta let him know who's really the king of the one-on-one stuff. You know what I mean? He go on this tour, doing his thing, but you know, he knows who to come to.
A bum is crazy. Hey, because you're a bum.
Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at me. Look at him. Look at me.
I mean, he gonna beat him 11-0. Uncle Skoob won't beat him 11-0.
We're gonna see. It's gonna be fun.
Yeah, it don't matter. It don't matter. Hey, Skoob can't guard me. Look at this.
I got Skoob by 5.
All I ask. Please keep the video true. Don't cut it out for him. Please.
In my opinion, what he's trying to say is Skoob's not pro. He's just a YouTuber.
Hey, comment down below who you think will win. Elite Hooper or Uncle Skoob. This is my channel. This is my channel. I kind of got $100 on him, so if he wins.
That's 3-2.
Circus Threes Hall of Fame.
Doors for her. Tough. That's just tough.
Hey, game point. Call game.
Hey, that's game one. We're gonna do 3 spots, maybe more, but you know.
Post game interview. I think Skoob got this. I think Skoob got it. Skoob got it. He can shoot, you know. Actually, I want to change my answer. Actually, I want to change my answer. Statistically, I got the elite hooper.
Skoob gonna win, bro.
Yeah,
Skoob
yeah.
gonna win. Skoob.
And I got money on him, so he can't lose.
I got Skoob.
Hey, I can shoot the best.
He's like Kyrie. He's like Kyrie.
Yeah, he's like Kyrie.
He's nice.
Yeah, he's like Kyrie. Marcelo's Howard, if you're ready.
Seen it! I don't want to get that shit off, bro.
He got him doing this. He got the Muhammad Ali shuffle. Muhammad Ali got the Muhammad Ali shuffle.
You know who Muhammad Ali is?
He's about to score. Watch.
Watch your head.
He's about to score.
Watch your head.
Good move. Fuck that move. I think between legs and a one-on-one is a good way to get past it. Fuck that move.
It's alright, Skoob. Come on. I still got him in there. I still got him in there.
You're right. You're right. Nah, bullshit. Need that kind of business. Harder too. Somebody do that one little shit. Oh!
That's a bucket.
Oh,
That's a bucket. He ain't leaving.
Three more. I thought you jump. Something like that. 3 more.
I like that move though.
Tippy toe.
Oh, he better not. I see it. Short, Skoob. Good work. Short, Skoob. Get up. Get the bucket. Stop playing so much. Stand down. Boy! It's getting there.
He got good defense, he got good offense, and he got good confidence. I got him all the way.
I got Skoob too.
It's like I know he about to do it. Just letting him do it. 4-3. Come on. Get on that.
This is 2 dogs in a cage. This is 2 dogs in a cage.
That's good, D.
Fight it out.
Baseline cut me off. I keep forgetting. 4-3.
Talk about it.
What's the score? Master. What's the score? Oh, 3 off.
Hey!
Wait. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that was good. Skoob locked in. He locked in.
Hey, see how they aggressive? You gotta get aggressive.
My boy. Oh, yeah!
We don't smoke in the gym. Hey, it says no smoking over there.
No smoking in the gym.
Hey, back up, flagrant. There's a security in here, man.
Yeah, lazy as shit. I don't smoke, you know that. I know.
Series towel. Hey, when I get that, when I dribble and I get this into the shot, I think I'm gonna be unstoppable. But he's playing good defense though, man. I expected that, you know what I'm saying? He's tough, he actually is tough. Like, I know we call a lot of people pros, but he a real pro, so, you know, I'm getting better, he getting better, I feel like it's tough.
You won the first game, you had the momentum, you shot a one-legged shot, it was downhill after that.
Hey, I'm the best shooter in the world.
Every time I shoot that one-leg shot, it seems like I lose. No more one legs.
You had all the momentum. In the game, they have two. You happy. Get the job done.
Last corner.
Get the job done.
If I make it, Skoob's winning.
Watch
If I make it, Skoob's winning. If he makes it, Skoob's winning.
Watch out.
Watch out.
Lock in, Skoob. Lock in, Uncle. Gotta get that off. That one-legged jumper. He gotta watch that one-legged jumper.
It ain't even about that. He don't. Something like that, yeah. Like that, yeah. It need to be more. We need at least 2 or 3 of those a game. Yeah.
You got it.
Ooh, you could extend, bro. Extend.
I held it on. What I do? I held it on.
Oh, alright.
I probably could have, dog. I got to see.
If you're gonna grab him, man, take him to dinner first. Dang.
Ah! Give me that.
That's crazy.
I need that, bro. I need to get my footwork right, bro.
Lock in, Uncle Skoob.
Hands up, come on.
Post-game interview? Game interview?
Go ahead.
Hey, man, interview. What do you think about the game right now?
playing good defense. I got to work for every bucket, so
Yeah.
I need to work on my footwork though, man. My footwork is not where it need to be, y'all. It's getting there though.
Yeah, I think you gotta lock in. You got him though, you got him, but you gotta protect that one-legged jumper. He getting it.
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah,
No
so
more. Appreciate you, coach.
guys, he paid me $10 an hour.
Top of the time, boy. Only other nigga I know how to do that shoot enough as much one leg as I do.
It's like putting 2 dogs in a cage. Oh yeah. That's weight room right there. Oh yeah. Weight room. That's weight room. That's big.
Shot 6 5.
Hey. Also, Skoob playing good defense too.
Good.
That's good D right there.
He got it. He won the series. Hey, we about to play some more, but that's enough for the camera. You know.
That's enough.
Hey, that was a good game. That was an amazing game they played. They both played. Yeah, it was the defense was just amazing. They were both playing defense. They were like 2 rapid dogs coming at each other, man.
Yeah, Uncle Skoob had it. Uncle had it, but at the end, it just it didn't happen.
That was a push-up right there. Y'all keep pushing him off.
Yeah. Remember to like and subscribe. Remember to like and subscribe to Uncle Skoob. Comment down below who you think should have won.
Or who you think is better, Uncle Skoob.
Bye y'all. I don't really know how to do an outro, so see y'all later.
We out.